I am Aniket Katkar. Today I am here to discuss about the non-technical topic, the information about the air pollution. So basically, the air pollution, which refers to the presence of harmful substances in the atmosphere and which can adversely affect the human health, ecosystems, and the climate. It is primarily caused by the industrial activities, vehicle emissions, agriculture practices, and the major natural events such as the wildfires and the volcanic eruptions. Now we will discuss in detail about the overview of its causes, effects, and the solutions. Now we will discuss the causes of air pollution. The main cause of the air pollution is the industrial emissions, means the factories which release a variety of pollutants including the sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrogen oxides, volatile organic compounds, and particulate matter. These emissions arise from the burning fossil fuels, chemical production, and other industrial processes. The next cause is the transportation, in which the vehicles are significant sources of the air pollution, emitting carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, and the particulate matters. This increasing number of vehicles, especially in the urban areas or cities, contributes to the deteriorating the air quality. Now, the agriculture activities are the use of fertilizers and pesticides, which releases the ammonia and methane into the atmosphere. Livestock farming also contributes to the methane emissions as a potent greenhouse gas. The next is the residential heating and cooking because of burning woods, coals, or other fuels for heating and cooking in the homes, particularly in developing countries, which releasing the particulate matter and carbon dioxide and monoxide. The other main cause is the natural sources, the events such as wildfires, dust storms, and the volcanic eruptions can introduce significant amounts of pollutants into the air. Through these are often episodic compared to the human generated sources. Now we will move towards the next part, the effects of the air pollution. It involves various effects and the human health, environmental impact. The next, the climatic change. Fourth, the economic cost. The first we will discuss the human health. The air pollution is linked to a range of health issues including the respiratory diseases such as the asthma, bronchitis, cardiovascular diseases, and even the premature death. The children, the elderly, and those with pre-existing health conditions are particularly vulnerable. The next is the second is the environmental impact. The pollutants that can harm wildlife, damage forests, and affect the water quality, acid rain caused by the sulfur and nitrogen oxides can severely damage the aquatic ecosystems and the soil. The third is the major problem or major cause, the climatic change. The air pollutants, especially the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane, CH4, contribute to global warming. Particulate matter can also affect the cloud formation and precipitation patterns. Next is the economic cost. The health effects of the air pollution lead to increase the healthcare cost, loss to the productivity, and can negatively impact tourism and agriculture. The solutions to the air pollution include the regulatory measures such as the governments can implement the stricter emissions standards for industries and vehicles, and also it can enforce the regulations on the harmful substances by promoting the clean energy, transitioning to renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric can significantly reduce the reliance on the fossil fuels, lowering the emissions. The next solution is the public transportation and also the electric vehicles. By investing in the public transit and encouraging the use of electric vehicles can reduce the traffic related problems or emissions which causes the pollution in the air. The conclusion of this topic, the air pollution, is that by understanding its cause and effects and implementing the effective solutions, we can work towards a cleaner, healthier environment for current and future generations. This was the information about the air pollution. Thank you, guys.